and share the video and subscribe to SD Facts for latest facts and news videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.
Chhattisgarh, an improvised explosive device blast has led to the loss of life of 2 CRPF Jawans who've been killed in the line of duty. 4 Jawans have received injuries, 2 dead in the IED blast. This is big, remember. This also is a reminder that in Chhattisgarh, it is the Maoist violence that continues, and IED has been an issue even for regular patrolling for our Jawans, and specifically because CRPF is the one that is deployed maximum in and around Chhattisgarh in the forest areas. We are told it was a pipe bomb that went off and 2 Jawans have lost their life. So Chhattisgarh, remember, continues to be a concern, even though the situation has become much better from the past several years. But the fact remains that even right now, remember, with the IEDs that have been planted in certain areas, which means that when a patrol or when the movement of armed forces happens, and the CRPF specifically for Chhattisgarh, that is when these IED blasts go off, and it's led to a loss of life. 4 Jawans injured, 2 have confirmed died. 4 who are injured are currently undergoing treatment, we are told. But this is also, remember, the constant encounters and action that the governments are taking, whether in Chhattisgarh or the Maharashtra-Chhattisgarh belt, where there has been Maoist violence, that they have been indulging in encounters and trying to nip this in the bud. But the terrain is also very difficult to operate on for the CRPF, remember, and therefore it will be a big issue that continues to remain. Cannot let the guard down, specifically for a place like Chhattisgarh or the belt that it has of Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. And that is why, even though, remember, Naxals were killed a few hours ago in an encounter with the police, but it also is now about the IED blasts that the CRPF have to be very cautious about. Sumi Rajapan is joining me now for the latest on that. Sumi, good morning. This is a very disturbing detail coming in. Can you give us an understanding of what happened and how are the Jawans now? Sumi, yes. Sumi, if you can hear me, what unfolded in Chhattisgarh? The 2 Jawans dead, 4 Jawans injured in the IED blast.